think? He out there? Watching us right now, isn't he? This little one had already gone on the end of the tent. She's ready to be done for the night. I don't blame her. Good girl. Good girl. All right, go play. You're a good girl. Good girl. Well, yes, people, we are back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever it is and wherever part of the world that you're watching this. Welcome back to the channel, Old Southern Pine. Today, Fiona and I are back out in the woods. Absolutely beautiful location. We've stayed here before, and as you guys can all tell, Miss Fiona is back. We just had a little bit of a snowstorm. Thankfully, all that snow is gone. It's dried up a little bit. We are out today celebrating two different things. One is Fiona's 6th birthday, so if you guys could flood the comments down below with happy birthday, Fiona. It really does mean a lot to us. And also, this marks our 2nd year of being on YouTube. So we're out here to celebrate, have a good time. We're doing her favorite thing in the world, which is getting out into camping and exploring the good outdoors. Welcome back. Let's speed things up a little bit, shall we? Ain't nobody got time to watch me rake leaves all day. One of y'all hold my camera for a second, please. Thank you. What was that? Oh yes, these are Nebu Summit pants. Thank you for noticing. I'll leave a link in the description down below for 15% off. Broken piece of glass, we don't need that. you think about that, baby girl? Huh? Fancy. Time for a little lunch break. Well, that's lunch had. We're going to crawl into that tent and take a nap for a little bit. We'll catch up with you guys around supper time. Oh, before we do that, I wanted to show you guys the AllPowers 1800 watt power station here. We've got our GoPro camera charging up, so we're going to let that charge while we take a nap, and yeah, we'll catch up with you guys soon. Well, a nap sounded like a great idea, but somebody's not as interested in sleeping as I am. She's in full-on West Highland Terrier mode. I just wanted to nap. Fiona and I decided to get out and go for a little bit of a hike, just to kind of see what the surrounding area looks like. It is just a beautiful night to sit here and be curled up with my little girl, enjoying this beautiful fire. Just a perfect Saturday evening.
Yeah, I hear you.
So as we're waiting for the fire to burn down the coals, I wanted to give a special shout out to Michael Chrisman. Thank you so much for the recommendation of People of the Deer by Farley Mawat. Really appreciate you giving me the recommendation for this. Got this off of thriftbooks.com for 11 bucks. Super awesome. Really looking forward to curling up and reading this tonight. Just real quick, I want to read you guys a brief passage from here that I really like. It's pretty much in the foreword here. On an evening when the sun hovered above the horizon's lip, I sat beside a man who was not of my race and watched a spectacle so overwhelming in its magnitude that I had no words for it. Below us, on the undiluted darkness of the barren plains, a tide of life flowed out of the dim south and engulfed the world. Submerged it so that it sank beneath a living sea. That's beautiful. It's all right. I know. It's all fun and games until you get smoke in your eyes, isn't it, baby? Blasted wind shifted and blew the smoke right into her little face. It's all right. All right, so on the menu tonight, I am going to be having bacon and eggs, and the birthday girl is going to get her very own steak. Now, we're just going to go ahead and get a little bit of bacon going so that we can grease the skillet. That in here nice and going. Little princess just curled up, waiting for supper to get served to her. You're a good girl. Happy birthday, little one. Bacon's about ready. Let's get the steak on for this little girl. Say that's perfect. All right. Let's get the birthday girl's steak cut up for her. Oh yeah. Perfect. She's little, so we got to cut it up into little bitty pieces for her. You're in the background getting excited over there. We're gonna save some of this for breakfast for her too. She's not gonna have that whole steak. While that cools down for her, we're gonna make some more bacon for us. Oh, may as well do one more, because this is a health food channel. For those of you guys that had asked for it, this is an 80 to 100-year-old lantern that I restored. I'll leave the video, I'll leave the link to that video down below if you guys didn't see that restoration video. That would have come out, I believe, last week. Alright, I'm going to say that is about done. Pull these off of here. That's probably about good enough for that one. Well, I made a mess of it. All right. So that didn't work out. So the rest of these, we're just gonna scramble. Do the dishes real quick. Oh, one of these bacons, it's got the biggest chunk of fat on it. There. Get your supper, baby. Good girl. All right. Bacon and eggs. Birthday girl's got some steak. We're gonna settle in. We're gonna enjoy this. We'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Fiona's got her Sasquatch bark going on. that old hairy boy comes up behind me, one of y'all gotta let me know. What do you think? He out there? Watching us right now, isn't he? All right, y'all, it is time for a night hike. Little one right here. Hi, sweetie. We're gonna go see if we can't find somewhere to put the camera and do a little bit of a night lapse. It's supposed to be a pretty beautifully clear night tonight, so hopefully we'll be able to get some stars and see what else happens. I sure do love how pretty the woods are at night. This little one had already gone on the end of the tent. She was ready to be done for the night. I don't blame her. Nearly there myself. You know what? I think that's going to be a beautiful spot right there. All right, night lapse is set up. That is pretty open a spot as we can possibly get. I already see some stars out. All right, let's get this little one tucked back into bed. And there's home for the night. Come on, here, come on. Come on, here, come on. Come on, go get inside. What do you think, little one? You're awfully comfy. Yeah, you're a good girl. Hi, sweetie. Well, you look sleepy. I'm gonna go through. This right behind me is east. So I am gonna go ahead and just zip that closed so that, yeah, keeps it a little darker in here in the morning. Also got my Manta sleep mask. That'll help quite a bit. And now we're just gonna go through. I love this Lydarz tent. One of you guys could tell me I had stuff in my beard. Come on now. I absolutely love this Lydarz tent. You blow this thing up, and we've been here for hours now, and yeah, it's still super inflated. It hasn't lost any air or anything like that. I am going to put a little extra air in the mattress here. Let's see if we can scoot around. And we're going to have to do this by feel. But if I remember correctly, it is the one that is closest. That seems right. But it is closest to the latch. Oh yeah, there we go. I can actually feel it inflating under my feet. Hi, baby girl. I'm gonna call that good. I believe off is the middle. Hopefully that didn't deflate anything. Tighten that cap up a bit. And there we go. Easy, baby. An owl just sounded off in the trees really, really close to us. It was extremely loud. And for those of you that have been watching the channel for a while know that Fiona absolutely hates owls. Like, there is no consoling her. So She's a little worked up now, but she's all right. She's got her hoodie off. She's all tucked in. And, yeah, I'm going to say that within the next few seconds, she's going to be crawling underneath the blanket here and probably won't move again for the rest of the night. So I'm going to keep reading my book. And unless anything exciting happens, we'll see you guys first thing in the morning. Good night. Well, good morning, everybody. That was a bit of a rough night. We were very comfortable. We stayed warm, all of this kind of stuff. But those ruddy owls, all night long, just kept... There was two of them, and like they were giving each other what for. Right outside the tent. They must be in one of the trees that's right here above us, and poor little Fiona just was not having it. She was not having it, and she was not resting, and they were so loud and obnoxious that it just kept bothering her a good portion of the night. So we didn't get a lot of sleep. So I think it's 9:30 right now. So obviously we slept in pretty good, just to be able to try to offset some of that. But once they stopped, we were very comfortable. At one point in time, I think it was probably 2 squirrels hopped up and ran past. And, I think they ran like right past the tent. And this one, of course, went into full Westie mode. And so she was up for a little bit until she got cold and decided to come back up here. And that's where you found her now. All right, so give us a few minutes here to wake up. And, yeah, let's get some breakfast. Got cold enough in here last night to freeze Fiona's water. Come on now. Alright, come here, you. Let's get you dressed. Come on, give me a face. Come on here. Come on, give me a face. There we go. One feet. Oh, there you go, yeah. Yeah, oh, I know. All right. Yes. that was brisk. All right, well, now that we're back to beautiful again, let's go check on that night lapse. Come on, Westy butt, let's go. All right. For Fiona's breakfast, she's going to get the last of her steak from last night. And a birthday cake treat. Happy birthday, baby girl. And for me, Cheerios and orange juice. You was such a mess. Come here. Look at you. Oh, that's gross, baby. I'm the meanest daddy in the whole world because I won't let her go over there and continue to excavate that stump. And so she's sitting here crying. And deflate. Might as well at least enjoy the ride down. Yeah, it's even got a proper size bag. Oh, you're filthy. All right, you guys, that about does it for us. We've swept through camp, packed up, made sure we're leaving no trace, and it is time to get this dirty little faced muppet home and into a bath. I hope you guys have had as much fun on this trip as we have. Please remember, like, subscribe, comment down below, wish Fiona a happy birthday. We are celebrating 2 years on YouTube and this little girl's 6th birthday. We aren't sure entirely when the next video is going to be up, so if you would, click that bell icon. That'll make sure you get notified the next time we come out. And until we meet again under the old southern pine, stay safe. God bless. Hey, high five. Fiona, high five. High five. She's still mad at me. Fiona, high five. Good girl.